everybody, welcome to another episode of Triple Travel Podcast. आप जानते ही होंगे यहाँ पे 3 जाने पहचाने चेहरे हैं, अकबर, अली, me, Amtul. But as you can see, there's another human being sitting right next to me. But we are so excited to have our guest today with us. He is our mentor, our senior. We all have learned something from him. We all have collaborated with him, worked with him. He is the king of comedy. Okay, he was one of the earliest comedians of Pakistan. He brought stand-up comedy to Pakistan. We all did improv from him. We learned improv from him. He used to do amazing improv and he still does it. Welcome, Saad Haroon in the house.
Thank you, Abdul. Thanks for that wonderful introduction.
I tried.
We should also tell the audience this is the second time you had to do that because the audio was bad the first time, and you put in just as much effort. So I really appreciate it.
I was like, I don't want to
You
miss
could have
anything.
done the half and been like, it's not the king's the prince of comedy, you know, like just like half is good, but you did. So thank you. Thank you so much.
मैंने अपनी पूरी कमाई मैंने यहाँ पूरी की है अपनी.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत
No,
अच्छा.
but Saad, welcome to the show, Triple Trouble Podcast. We've been trying to have you for, I've been trying to have you for a while.
You had me at triple.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है. साथ सर हैं हमारे, जैसे हम अली सर कहते हैं, और उस्ताद हैं. बहुत कुछ सीखा है. और जो सिलसिला इम्प्रोव का ब्लैक फिश से शुरू हुआ, फिर शार्क, then there was a third one.
No.
सब फिशी थे, फिश नाम थे.
Then
एजेंसी नाम था. एजेंसी भी था.
Agency में मैं था.
switched it up. Yes, agency में आप थे, and Raza and everyone. Oh, those were good times.
Yeah.
As well.
Sara
And then
Ashraf.
Sara Ashraf is there as well. Oh, it was a lot of fun.
उसामा समी भी थे.
उसामा समी भी थे.
Yes.
Yes.
Good times. And मेरे लिए जो एक ऑनर था, and मेरी करियर की सबसे बड़ी
आपका ऑनर.
हाँ.
ऑनर आपने ऐसे बोला कि
थोड़ा
ये वो इशू है ना, कोड स्विचिंग में
off
इंग्लिश
हो गया.
उर्दू जब थोड़ा हो जाता है.
अच्छा.
बट बैक इन 2014 साद वाज कमिंग टू पाकिस्तान. उस वक्त आप अमेरिका में थे शायद, टू डू हिज ईयरली स्पेशल. एंड मैंने स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी स्टार्ट की थी. एंड आई रिमेंबर मैंने साद सर को फेसबुक पे मैसेज किया. तो उस वक्त हमारी जान पहचान नहीं थी. आई जस्ट सीन साद परफॉर्म लाइव. तो आई मैसेज हिम ऑन फेसबुक के यार प्लीज़ इफ़ you're looking for an opening act, तो प्लीज़ डू कंसिडर मी. मैं अपनी आपको वीडियोस वगैरह दिखाऊंगा. एंड साद सर वाज ग्रेशियस इनफ.
सेंड न्यूड्स.
वो तो भेजने पड़ते
Send
हैं
nude
ना.
videos.
इस काम में तो है
हाँ,
जी सर.
ये करना.
आपके पास कितने मेरे पड़े में डॉक्यूमेंट क्लिप्स 3 GB वाले. तो साद सर ने फिर घर पे बुलाया. He watched my material, then he helped me write it, and then I opened for
watch the material.
Mr.
Yes.
This is me being dirty as you were asking. Now this is me trying.
There we go. Thank you.
Made
Abdul.
me watch.
हाँ जी.
Show me your material.
क्या आप भी नंगे लेकिन वीडियो नंगी देख रहे हैं. But and then वो I remember February 2014 and specifically on Valentine's Day साद सर का शो था, and I opened for Saad Haroon.
My birthday.
Oh yes. your birthday.
Good sugar.
Good. और गिटार भी बजाया साद सर के गाने के लिए.
जी.
And that was one of मतलब बहुत.
Oh, Meaner Man कहाँ थे?
नहीं, मीनर चले गए थे. Meena used to perform with us before. So yeah, shout out to Meaner Man, who was the guitarist before Akbar was. He used to do comedy with me and Ali
Akbar
Gul.
job खा गया Meaner Man.
जी.
पत्ता काट दिया मैंने.
I think I will also share one of my most memorable and I think one of my biggest projects that I did with Saad was when we went to perform in Dubai. You remember in 2019, you were also there and we did improv and I also did stand-up. और उस वक्त मैं इतना बुरा stand-up करती थी. I remember I was so nervous and I was so bad. But Saad motivated me. He forced me, like, just do it, whatever material you have. And like, and I still remember, and I think that was my only international show that I've still done to date.
No, you were
probably.
great.
And that was because
it's never
of him
easy.
and Vidhi.
Yeah, it's never easy to do an international show and go and travel. You always feel the pressure, but no, kudos to all of you guys. You all stepped up whenever it was. Like, I don't have a bad memory of kind of what went wrong, whatever. It all worked.
And I think what I always appreciated about you was you always brought everybody together. I think that was always your strength. Like, हमने I think Lahore में भी हमने एक improv किया था. We traveled there as well, and I think we've collaborated for so many improv shows. And you always brought different people together, collaborated. You always I really appreciate that
Yeah,
about
I think
you.
that's because I'm just very lonely. I'm just
यार तुम आ रहे हो?
Yeah,
I'm very
please.
lonely. I just create these projects ताकि आसपास लोग हो आ जाए. They can do
You're like
stuff with
that
me.
वो जो kid in the gully जो ना मगरिब के असर के बाद सबके बेल बजाते हैं, आज जो क्रिकेट
The first one there. The first one, and then the last one to go home for dinner too. And they're like, बेटा तुम घर क्यों नहीं जा रहे? बस अब
आंटी आपके घर क्या बना है? ये वाला बच्चा नहीं होता?
जो दूसरे के घर में फिर बैठ के खाना खाता है.
ये मैं वैसे करता था.
मैं भी करती थी
I
कभी.
love other people's food.
Acha, no, but maybe it's just that we never wanted to go home. Maybe it's also a comedian thing. I don't know. It's a comedian
मेरी
thing.
ये चीज थी that I had 2 elder brothers and हमारे बीच में ना 5.5 and 7 years का फर्क है. So they were much older.
Oh, so they're completely out of your...
Yeah, तो मुझे घर में lonely feel होता था. तो I was like you, like eating dinner at my friend's house and then I used to live in an apartment building और सबसे ऊपर मैं रहती थी. उसके से 5 ही floors थे. And I would start from the top floor और घंटी बजा के ना I would collect everybody and go till the bottom and collect like 5-6 girls to play in the evening. ये मेरा ritual होता था.
फौज इकट्ठी हो जाती थी.
और from the top से लेके bottom
And
तक.
now you've left all the girls. It's only Londas around you. Now it's only men.
Look at this. Yeah, I really wish and pray my parents don't see this podcast. वो तो scandalize हो जाएंगे कि क्या गंदी बातें हो रही हैं मर्दों के साथ.
Tell us honestly, Amtul, who's more fun, girls or boys to hang out with?
Girls.
Girls?
Girls just
I'm a
want to have
girl's
fun.
girl. I'm a girl's girl.
You are?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, do you
ये
feel...
क्या होता है अब्दुल? गर्ल्स
Girls,
गर्ल्स
what is a girl's girl?
like I you know I love my girlfriends and I will defend them and I'm like with them. मैं ये नहीं हूँ कि oh my god, you know, लड़कियों में तो इतना ड्रामा होता है. Boys are better. Like I'm not that.
मैं
कि-
समझ गया.
I met some girls like that.
Yeah,
और
yeah,
वो
yeah.
बहुत ड्रामा वो खुद ड्रामा क्रिएट
हाँ.
करने वाली औरतें होती हैं जो ये बोलती है ना कि वो मेरे तो सिर्फ गाय फ्रेंड्स हैं.
इशू क्रिएट करने
हाँ,
वाली.
कि लड़कियां तो बिची होती हैं
अच्छा
और
इसका भी
लड़कियों
नाम
में
है बाय द
ड्रामा.
वे, ऑपोजिट ऑफ गर्ल्स गर्ल, पिक मी
Pick
गर्ल्स.
me girl, exactly. कि I'm not like other girls. मतलब pick me
लाइक
girls.
मेल वैलिडेशन, पिक
हाँ,
मी, ये
कि
वाला.
I am better than other girls. All the other girls are trash and fuzul, and I am a better girl. So choose me, pick me, love me. So that's.
You know, my first ever crush, Saad, was a pick me girl. Now I get the term.
Oh, you get it now.
Because she used to play cricket with us. She had short hair. She used to wear bangles and beads नहीं bangles और कड़े और
अच्छा,
type
वो वाले.
और वो क्रिकेट खेलती थी और मैं फिदा हो गया.
नहीं तो
मैंने
वो
कहा
pick
क्या
me नहीं
यॉर्कर
हुई.
मार रही है. वाह.
ये तो टॉम बॉय उसमें आ गई जब उस जमाने में हम जिसको टॉम बॉय कहते
हाँ,
थे.
पर
ये
वो
पिक मी नहीं
pick
है.
me नहीं है ये.
पिक मी इज मोर लाइक यू नो लाइक.
मतलब she was straight. Obviously she rejected me, but she was going out with someone else.
बट दैट्स नॉट अ पिक मी गर्ल.
Okay.
नहीं आप
You-
समझे नहीं.
आप नहीं
ये
समझे.
बाद में डिस्कशन होगा.
चलें ठीक है.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
ये पिक मी गर्ल्स आर नॉट बॉयिश.
Okay.
हाँ.
अच्छा खैर, जो हमारा पहला इंट्रो था उसमें एक डिस्कशन शुरू हुआ था. आपने साद सर से पूछा था कि आपको कैसा लगता है शपाटर होना. तो ये मैं चाहता हूँ साद सर आप जरा दुनिया में खोलें ये बात कि आपको
हाँ, मैं ये सवाल फिर
आप
से
एक
पोज
कट्टर
कर.
बर्गर से मेले में होते जा
और
रहे
जब
हैं.
मैंने साद हारून जब मैं हमारी जान पहचान हुई तो ये अच्छे खासे बर्गर, अच्छे प्रिविलेज इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग बिजनेस क्लास सूट वूट ये थे. और फिर मैं 1 साल इनके पास छोड़ दिया मैंने और मैं नहीं मिला. वापस आया तो ये
लेकिन
माँ बहन.
आप अकेले थे ना. साथ सर पे पूरा 4
हाँ.
नाइट गैंग का एक कारकुन मेहनत कर रहा है. ये भी एक है.
हाँ, बेसिकली यही हुआ था कि जब मैं कॉमेडी कर रहा था, मैंने शुरू किया था, टू बी ऑनेस्टली इट वाज वेरी लोनली. कोई नहीं था. जैसे मैं था, 1-2 और कॉमेडियंस थे जिनके साथ 1-2 शो होते थे पहले, बट नॉट वेरी ऑफन, पीरियोडिकली.
लाइक दानिश एंड
हाँ,
समीशा.
दानिश कभी होता था, समीशा होता था, कभी कभी हो जाता था. एंड बिफोर दैट वाज ब्लैकफिश, तो वो अलग था. एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि इट्स अ क्वाइट अ लोनली थिंग. तो व्हेन द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कॉमेडियंस केम अलोंग, आप आए थे और फिर वो अली गुल भी आया था और सब आ गए थे साथ में, देन आई रियलाइज दैट यू गाइस ऑल केम अप टुगेदर. आपका पूरा वो ग्रुप था, डायनामिक था. एंड थोड़ा मैं भी थोड़ा सा जेलस हो गया था. आई वाज लाइक ये तो मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था, मैं तो अकेला चल रहा था. ऑनेस्टली इट वाज कॉमेडी देन विस्की. उसके बीच में कुछ नहीं था. देयर वाज नो कन्वर्सेशन और कोई नहीं कह रहा था कि ये शो अच्छा हुआ था, ये जोक कैसे था.
खामोशी है ना बस.
हाँ, बस खामोशी था. You just
कोई
had to go
discussion
into
करने के लिए नहीं
Exactly.
So how were you evaluating your jokes? How were you realizing कि अच्छा this is not working, this is like बिकॉज इन लोगों का मैंने देखा है कि ये आपस में है ना कि शेयर नोट्स करते हैं या जोक को ये इसको ऐसे कर लो तो अच्छा होगा.
हाँ
How
वही
are
हो
you doing
रहा
that?
था. I was basically doing it myself. I was going and evaluating show by show कि ये चल रहा है ये नहीं चल रहा ये सही है ये नहीं सही है.
That is tough, man.
Yeah. It was very tough and it was a very sort of isolating process.
Because sometimes you also need the third eye into your set or your material, like you know, another perspective. क्योंकि आप इतना उसमें घुस जाते हो.
Also, Satya, the post-show chilling is such a big part of the enjoyment for us,
The
right?
debrief.
So I can imagine just doing that alone, like we do for like solo stand-up corporate shows, for example. Once you're done, that dopamine peaks, and then you're just sitting in the hotel. Like,
हाँ basically you're sitting in the hotel और आपको पता नहीं है आपको
Doing heroin by yourself.
doing yes of course because it's the cheapest drug.
Yeah.
As a comedian
The
हम
shark
coke
of
नहीं
Wall
कर सकते. यही हमारी
वो
औकात
तो
है.
वो म्यूजिशियन आतिफ असलम करते थे. आप हेरोइन
Exactly हमारा मौली वॉली कुछ नहीं.
टोकन.
तुम सीधा हेरोइन पे चले गए हो. ये कॉमेडियन है.
powder पीने वाले.
हेरोइन इन Airbnb होटल में भी नहीं. बस अकेले हेरोइन Airbnb में.
And like there was shady guest houses in the G sector.
Yes.
I don't know
Oh.
if you've been to any of those.
Yeah, I'm sure I've been to
ये जी
them.
सेक्टर का इस्लामाबाद का. हाँ वहाँ पे
या मैं
बहुत
बड़ा हूँ
अजीब,
वहाँ पे. I was born in G103. Excuse me.
G103
हाँ,
represent.
G103. ये
Islamabad
कोई
model
jet- ये कोई जेट नहीं है. You're saying like I was on a G on my G6. Yeah. तुम G103 से आए हो. It's a
G103,
very
oh
different
God.
G.
अच्छा आप बता रहे थे कि आपका
हाँ शपाटन में आपका
हाँ तो बेसिकली तो उन्होंने ऑनेस्टली आई वुड से इन्होंने मुझे अडॉप्ट कर लिया क्योंकि आई वाज बेसिकली डूइंग कॉमेडी बाय माय सेल्फ. दे स्टार्टेड डूइंग ओपन माइक्स. उन्होंने मुझे इनवाइट किया कि साथ आप हमारे साथ आके परफॉर्म कर लें. इट विल बी गुड एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड आई हैड नो कॉन्टेक्स्ट के अच्छा मैं पूरे ग्रुप डायनामिक में कहाँ फिट हूँगा मैं कैसे हूँगा. बट एज सून एज आई स्टार्ट डूइंग इट वाज सो मच फन. बहुत मज़ा आया था क्योंकि एंड क्रेडिट टू अकबर एंड दोज बॉयज़ कि दे एक्सपैंडेड इट. पहले हम सिर्फ क्लिफ्टन डिफेंस इन इलाकों में कर रहे थे. दे वर लाइक हम नाज़माबाद जाएंगे गुलशन जाएंगे जौहर जाएंगे हर जगह जाएंगे इधर कॉमेडी करेंगे. तो फिर जब when I joined them मेरी भी फट गई. I'm like मैं अंग्रेजी कॉमेडी इधर नहीं कर सकता. और लिटरली फट गई. गांड फट गई माउथ फट गई सब कुछ फट गई. मतलब मेरे दिमाग वो कोई प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं ये जो अंग्रेजी जोक्स में ट्रांसलेट कैसे करूँगा. तो मैं रियल टाइम में ट्रांसलेट कर रहा था. तो एक लाइन अंग्रेजी में था तो जब somehow by the time it
Came out of your
exited
mouth.
my mouth it was in Urdu.
Okay,
And
good.
honestly saying it's in Urdu is being kind to myself. जो निकल रहा था वो निकल रहा था.
But that's good. They kind of brought you out of your shell
Yes,
in
they
a
got me
way.
out of this comfort zone and everything, and I just started doing it, and it's been great so far. It's been great, and audiences, माशाल्लाह से, the audiences भी बहुत kind audiences हैं. मैं बता देता हूँ मेरी उर्दू इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, ये है वो है, and come with me on the journey, and they've been so supportive. Yeah, they've
This, I remember this last show Amar wala when you said this कि मेरी English है ज़्यादा उर्दू का नहीं है, and then eventually the audience was on board with it कि हाँ bro हमें तुम्हारा सीन पता है, but it's okay, we're enjoying it.
It's okay.
It's
वो
very
थोड़ा सा
enjoyable.
जैसे
हाँ.
वो it's not that they're on board with, थोड़ा सा pity भी है.
हाँ,
बेचारा
बेचारा
उर्दू नहीं आती.
उर्दू नहीं आती.
ये भी चलता है. I think शुरू में अगर आप वो तोड़ दो ना वो wall and then you come down at their level
Address
कि
the
भाई ये
elephant
सीन
in
है.
the room तो वो हो जाता है. It was so funny at the George show साथ से when you like कि ये and the audience नहीं हमें इंग्लिश समझ आती है.
हमें इंग्लिश समझ आती है. वो भी थोड़ा सा फैंड हो गए थे. वो फर्स्टली वो भी पूछते हैं ना कि आपको उर्दू क्यों नहीं आती. अब मैं ऑनेस्टली उनको बता देता हूँ मैं चूतिया हूँ बस. ऑनेस्टली कोई और एक्सप्लेनेशन ही नहीं है मेरे पास कि वो आई डोंट हैव द एप्टीट्यूड कि मैं इतने लैंग्वेजेस एक सर में मैं चलाऊं.
और प्लस ये छोटा है ना, शॉर्ट आंसर है ना, जल्दी उनको शटअप कर लेता होगा ना.
Yes,
इसके आगे
हाँ.
वो क्या बोलेंगे. अच्छा
And people would love that. They would love that when you shit on your own self. Like they love it. The audience loves that.
And it is very honest. You know, I moved from Hong Kong to Pakistan when I was like 9 or 10 years old. उससे पहले my father and mother didn't speak to us in Urdu. वो अपने आप वो See, I can't even say it right now.
नहीं, आपस में
वो बात कर लेते थे, मगर they didn't really speak to us when we were growing up. It was all Angrezi. And then by
So
the
like till
time
the age of 9, you didn't speak any Urdu at all?
yeah, I used to listen to it, magar no, even sisters and everything, my siblings, we just used to speak English, and my parents were like, अभी हम इधर ही हैं, तो उनको आ जाएगा बाद में, कौन सिखाएगा उनको, वो कर लेंगे. And then we used to pick it up in the house, and then we got back here, they were like, आपको तो ये O level देना है थोड़े साल में, आपको तो सीखना है ये. And then so
What
that
did you
was
get
it.
in your Urdu?
I
You
didn't
gave
give
it?
No, I got out of it. I did the biggest thing. I got back and they were like, आपको उर्दू O level देनी है. And they were like, आपके पास वो कोई फॉरेन पासपोर्ट हो तो आपको नहीं देना पड़ेगा. So I went and I lied to them. I was like, मेरे पास ये फॉरेन पासपोर्ट है. और like 3 years before the O level. And they were like, अच्छा ठीक है. Believe कर दिया. They're like, just come and show it to us in the office. And so the whole year I had anxiety. मुझे बुलाएंगे. They didn't call me, भूल गए. The next year they said, आपको फॉरेन पासपोर्ट है. I was like, है मेरे पास, आप आके दिखा दे हमें, so you can be exempt. So that whole year stress में, anxiety में, वो बुलाएंगे, नहीं बुलाया उन्होंने.
फिर से नहीं बुलाया.
हाँ, फिर से नहीं बुलाया. The third year, the year of the O level, they call me, आप अपने पासपोर्ट दिखाएं.
अब उनके बाद दिखा दिया.
Yeah, exactly. I was like, I've showed it to you 2 years in a row. अब मैं third year में नहीं लेके आऊँगा. वो लॉकर में पड़ा हुआ है. लॉकर में है. Honestly, बैंक के लॉकर में है, क्योंकि वो बहुत जैसे
फॉरेन पासपोर्ट है ना, बहुत वैल्यू है उसकी.
उन्होंने कहा था, ओ ठीक है, सही है, ओ ओके. एंड देन आई गॉट एग्जाम.
लॉकर में ठीक है.
एंड उन्होंने कहा था, ठीक है, यू डोंट हैव टू सिट द O level.
अच्छा, मैंने भी उर्दू ऑनर्स नहीं
Yeah.
किया.
Story.
और मेरे
Very
पास
good.
मैं उसी वक्त कनाडा से आया था और वी मूव टू कराची. एंड उन्होंने मुझे बोला, आपको तो उर्दू नहीं, इवन तो मुझे उर्दू आती थी. मैंने इस्लामाबाद मॉडल कॉलेज फॉर बॉयज़ में पढ़ा हूँ. मेरा इंग्लिश मसला था. हाँ, GTN थी, तो मुझे आती थी, पर मुझे नहीं देना था. ऐसे ही मैं वाज हरामी. सो आई सेड नहीं, मैं तो वापस कनाडा जाऊँगा. तो उन्होंने कहा, अच्छा वापस जाइए. मैंने कहा, हाँ बस O levels करके मुझे वापस जाना है. तो उन्होंने कहा, अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ, फिर वो अम्मी से बात करा ली गया. ऐसे करते करते ना, आई नेवर गेव उर्दू. एंड समहाउ फिर हो गया काम. खैर है. आई मीन नाउ आई फील लाइक आई रेड सो मनी. अच्छा, टीवी में ये अच्छी बात है कि टीवी जब आप करते हो ना, तो सारी स्क्रिप्टें उर्दू होती है, और वो फिर इतनी होती है. तो आपको अगर ये शो करना है या नहीं, तो आपको पढ़नी पड़ेंगी. सो देन यू नो आई स्टार्ट. सो आई एक्चुअली टीवी जो थोड़ा बहुत भी मैंने किया है, उसकी वजह से मेरी उर्दू बहुत अच्छी हो गई है, बिकॉज ऑफ रीडिंग कंटिन्यूसली.
अच्छा, how come you guys didn't go into TV? वो मुझसे पूछते हैं लोग कि आप वो TV, mainstream TV में क्यों नहीं आते? I did do it, but that was an English show. It was a satire show. वो मुझे मिल गया, and it was amazing कि we did it. Real News was a wonderful thing. मगर आप लोग क्यों नहीं कर? But you guys are in the mainstream. वो have you ever thought of doing TV
I
mainstream?
think for me तो मैं 2 main reasons होंगे. एक तो ये कि when you as an actor if you go, the scripts are terrible साथ. Like honestly, the scripts are so bad. Like I've gotten वही लव ट्रायंगल, 2 भाई हैं, 1 लड़की है, उनको दोनों को एक ही से प्यार है, या 2 बहनें हैं, वो लड़ेंगे 1 लड़के पे. Like all of those kinds. ठीक है. And then when you come to comedy, our comedy scripts are worse. They are worse. The way they write female characters is so derogatory. It's so bad. मतलब अभी literally last year मुझे एक script आई.
And you're no pick me girl.
Yeah,
so
I'm
you're
no
not
pick
going
me
to do
girl,
those. Yeah. You're not those scripts.
Exactly.
मुझे
they're
गर्ल्स वाली स्क्रिप्ट दो भाई.
हाँ, उसमें यही हो रहा है भाई. लड़की का मुंह काला कर दिया. अभी तक ब्लैक फेस चल रहा है क्या, कि मुंह पे ना मेकअप कराने जाती है, उसकी कजन काला मुंह कर देती है, वो पूरे घर में घूम रही है, मैं कितनी खूबसूरत लग रही हूँ, और सब उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. फिर उसकी खाला कह रही है, ओ जाओ लड़के पे डोरे मारो, और वो कह रही है खाला क्यों करना है ये, मैं क्या हूँ, मैं क्यों, लाइक इट वाज
डम एंड
dumb character कि सब उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. She's the butt of the joke and I was like यार I can't do
हाँ,
this.
यही बिल्कुल ऐसे ही. मैंने भी साथ सर वही एक साल जो शो किया था, मॉर्निंग शो, मेरे लिए भी यही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन था, इंग्लिश से उर्दू बहुत
आपने
अच्छी।
तो मतलब एक जंप मारी स्टैंड अप से लेके मॉर्निंग शो होस्ट इज लाइक आई मीन इट्स अ बिग
वो आराम से
Unnatural.
बैठे हुए थे सोफे पे,
शेरवानी
ऐसे,
पहन के,
जी,
अच्छा,
कैसे
उस पर
आप-
मुझे लोग कहते थे आपका ना वो कॉमेडी साइड नहीं आ रहा। मैं कहा यार कैसे आएगा, कहाँ निकालें, एक तो सुबह उठने की वैसे आदत नहीं, बट एनीवे उससे मेरी उर्दू उससे बहुत अच्छी हो गई, सो दैट हेल्प मी विद द वीडियोस। बट हाँ, टीवी आई जस्ट फील मे बी इट्स नॉट फॉर अस राइट नाउ, मे बी।
And Saad, we're so used to making these videos and having our own team, having our own schedules. आप अभी मैंने टीवी शो तो नहीं, बट अभी हफ्ता पहले मैंने एक टीवी कमर्शियल किया और उसकी 20 घंटे शूट थी।
20 घंटे में क्या हो सकता है?
20
क्या
घंटे
shoot-
में, even though I had my own room and a place to lay down and stuff, it was 15 hours waiting and 5 hours of actual work. So 15 घंटे
वही
between
है कि
these.
इधर कैमरा डाल दो, ये
हाँ,
कर
वो
लो, नहीं
lighting
नहीं
setup
ठीक
हो
है,
रहा है।
अच्छा खाना आ रहा है
हाँ।
चलो ठीक है, बैठो चाय पीते हैं, एक चलो एक सिगरेट लगाते हैं, फिर
और
करते
अगर
हैं।
नहीं भी है तो
Client
सच अ बिग प्रोडक्शन, बिकॉज अगर आप टीवी फिल्म भी मैंने की थी, एक कैमियो किया था, तो इट्स सच अ बिग ह्यूज, इट्स लाइक 100 पीपल ऑन द सेट, राइट? सो इट्स लाइक वो सेट लगेगा, लाइट होगी, एंड आई एम सो यूज्ड टू लाइक सुबह को स्क्रिप्ट लिखी, दोपहर को शूट किया, शाम को एडिट करके, यू नो, सो दैट स्पीड अटेंशन स्पैन हमारा वो एज क्रिएटर्स भी नहीं रहा कि हम एक जगह बैठे रहें कि 4 घंटे के बाद
मुझे
मेरा
तो
सीन
लिटरली
आएगा।
अपना टाइम का वो हो रहा होता है कि आई एम वेस्टिंग माय टाइम, लाइक आई कुड हैव बीन डूइंग दिस दैट, इतना कुछ आई कुड हैव बीन डूइंग इन दिस यू नो इन दीज आवर्स, बट ये
अच्छा, मुझे ये नहीं होता, मुझे होता है कि ये जो मैं पढ़ा हुआ हूँ, मैं घर पे पढ़ा हुआ होता तो कितना अच्छा होता।
Yes, yes. I just can't stand like the whole thing. Everyone around, कुछ नहीं हो
और
रहा.
फिर जो
बस-
नहीं थोड़ा लोग दरवाजे से हर वक्त थोड़ा ये
ये बहुत अच्छा टैलेंट बैठा है अंदर, टैलेंट
मैं तो
बैठा हुआ है।
मैं इसी शूट पे मैं गया, नीचे शॉट करके वापस आया। अच्छा, मैं अपना है ना चादर में बेगम मुझे अजीमा चादर पिलो सब कुछ देती, क्योंकि उधर के सोफे साफ़ नहीं होंगे, तो मुझे लेटना है, तो मैं अपनी चादर बिछा के उसमें मैं बिछा के सेट करके गया था कि मैं इधर आके लेटूंगा।
बैठ गए।
उधर एक बंदा है ना यूं बैठा है। मैंने कहा कौन है आप? मैंने समझा कि खाली है, मैंने खा लिया सब, चादर बिछाइए तेरे लिए, मैंने खा लिए।
मेरे साथ एक दफ़ा एक डीवीसी शूट पे ये हुआ कि मैंने ना उस वक्त अपने लिए बड़ी अच्छी कोई स्लाइड या स्लीपर ली थी, कोई 12-15 हज़ार की थी, जो कि मतलब एक अच्छा अमाउंट था चप्पल के लिए। अब मैंने वो उतारी, उसके लिए जूता पहना, तो जो डीओपी है वो मेरी चप्पल में नमाज पढ़ने चले गया और उस पे वो वजू का पानी, मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया, मैं कहा क्या कर रहे हो यार ये, तो उसका एक्सप्रेशन इस पे था कि मर क्यों रहा है ये, लेना
चप्पल
चप्पल ही तो
लेना।
है।
This is brilliant. This is too good.
बहुत बुरा लगता है जब आपकी कोई चप्पल ले जाए और गीली करके वापस दे। You're like अब ये पेशाब है, पानी है, क्या है?
And the
हाँ,
चिपक
पेशाब
चिपक
प्रेफर करूंगा मैं।
अब इतना
Yes.
इतना
पानी
इतना-
पानी
I
प्रेफर।
met this girl. एक दफा वो एक एमिरेट्स के फ्लाइट में थी वो, एंड शी वाज लाइक हाँ मैं दुबई से आ जाती हूँ, एंड देन शी इज लाइक, एंड देन आई डोंट माइंड दिस लॉन्ग फ्लाइट्स, बट शी सेड दैट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन आई गो टू द बाथरूम व्हाई इज इट सो वेट, व्हाई इज एवरीथिंग वेट अप एंड डाउन. Wuzu, yeah. So I had to explain the whole wuzu to her, and I was like, "This is it. It's called ablution and everything." And she was like, "Oh, okay."
Yeah.
साथ सर मैं बचपन में आई बिन लॉक्ड इन अ प्लेन बाथरूम।
You got locked in it.
I didn't know how to open. I was 6-7
Okay,
years
that
old.
is
okay, that's
traumatizing.
एंड मैं जहाज के अंदर गया, वो आपको पता है ना वो बीच
हाँ,
में
वो-
से खुलता है, वो
हाँ,
अजीब
वो-
उसका होता है, कुछ
हाँ,
होता है।
पुल करना पड़ता है.
तो मैं अंदर गया और मैं लॉक हो गया, और 1 घंटा है ना मैं उस बात में आई बैंग केप्ट बैंगिंग एंड शी केप्ट सेइंग ये करो वो करो, ये बेटा ये अम्मी वहाँ से चीख रही है, और मैं रो रहा हूँ। मैं
How old were you?
7-8 years old.
And what
Oh.
flight was it?
This is Islamabad to Karachi. अभी
इस्लामाबाद to
इस्लामाबाद से
कराची.
कराची
अच्छा,
जा,
ठीक
तो
है,
घंटा लग गया
हाँ,
मुझे।
घंटा।
पूरी
आधी
फ्लाइट
flight तो
मैंने
bathroom
बाथरूम में बिता दी।
फ्लाइट एंजॉय नहीं कर पाए यूजली, लेकिन बाहर से भी एक होता है आप वो-
हाँ फिर
हाँ,
वो
वो
कोई
कर
आया,
सकते हैं।
उन्होंने भी हेड उनकी रोस्टेस होती है ना,
अच्छा,
जो
उनको
आंटी,
पता नहीं था।
वो
उनको
1
हुआ।
घंटे से गायब थी.
पता नहीं, वो सीरियस नहीं ले रहे थे मुझे। वो कह रहे थे नहीं खुल जाएगा बेटा, ये कर लो। पहले अम्मी ने ट्राई किया था 15-20 मिनट, फिर एयर होस्टेस।
अच्छा, आप लोग ने कभी ये देखा है किसी जैसे लंबी फ्लाइट में कि कोई कपल गया हो बाथरूम में?
नहीं मैंने वो कभी नहीं
या
देखा
नहीं, मैंने
वो
वैसे-
वो
हाँ।
फैंटेसी तो है मगर वो मैंने कभी देखा
अच्छा
नहीं है
फैंटेसी देखते हैं ये नहीं कि खुद जाए
हाँ तुम्हारा you've never fantasized about it
आई फैंटेसाइज अबाउट गोइंग
Going
means
inside.
doing
ये नहीं
it,
कि मैं
not-
देखूं किसी को
ठीक है
ये
I
भी
thought
खैर-
you fantasized about going with the couple
हाँ, ये भी
Inside.
ठीक है।
वो मुझे भी ले जा
इतने फिट नहीं आएंगे
ये तो हो चुका है ये तो हो चुका है
बट एक बात बताऊं, आई थिंक इट साउंड्स बेटर एज अ फैंटेसी देन इन रियलिटी, बिकॉज असल में गंदे बदबू स्मेल लाइक आई यूज्ड टू फैंटेसाइज इट टिल आई वाज आई थिंक इन माय 20s. अब जो मैं 30s में आई हूं ना, तो यू मोर लाइक आई
अच्छा
थिंक
अगर आपको
पिकी
करना है
एंड
ना तो
चूजी.
फ्लाइट के पहले 1 आध घंटे में कर लें
Exactly जब बाथरूम साफ हुआ वो
हाँ,
तो
ये
basically
अच्छा
take
है.
off पे मत ताकि gravity is on your side too
अच्छा आई जेट दिस one liner at a show once ke I joined the Mile High Club on the Karachi to Jeddah flights. Didn't go over so well.
yeah this is I know I can't believe we don't get into more trouble I've gotten into trouble many times मगर वो तो
In
सही
what
है हाँ
sense?
नहीं ठीक है जैसे you know you remember when I made that with video burqa woman they say yeah the burqa woman thing it
think
was
I've
fine.
seen that set of
it's
yours.
basically yeah so basically I
But
made it
it's
into
so
like a music
funny.
video and did it actually to be honest it was supposed to be social commentary on you know if a woman is in a burqa can you love her or not love her and also the idea of is a burqa Islamic or not, which is you know a whole other question together. But you know honestly you know these days you can't even have these conversations. But you can't even have like a intellectual conversation about it क्योंकि वो कोई बुरा मान जाएगा. You can't even talking about it is not triple trouble. It's like quadruple trouble. You know like
But
there'll be-
Saad, how are people getting triggered when there was no Twitter? And
No,
But-
YouTube comments.
YouTube
man, you know, but I
comments,
even
man.
made fun of it. You know, like because the video did well, and it was I was getting like hundreds of thousands of hits, and then when I read the comments, I realized people also wanted to hit me 100,000 times. That's what was going on. You know,
And
because
this is a good 10-12 years
yeah,
back,
this
right?
is a good
Yeah,
10,
yeah.
12 years ago. But I
More.
feel like even 10, 12 years ago, people still had some kind of patience for it. Abhi to we live in such a reactionary society ke you like it, they react. You don't like it, you react. Everyone thinks it's their right to just react on everything. And the problem is you don't need to. You're not important. You're not important. You're not important.
नहीं
Just-
ये जो देख रहे हैं ये है
yeah,
important.
you're important.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, so-
You guys are important. You're not important.
Your family?
You're
Not.
important. Yes.
If you're a hater,
Yes.
you're not important, basically.
Yeah, it's just reactionary. So the thing is, there's some amazing conversations that should be happening, and लोग डर के वो नहीं कर रहे, and that's just unfortunate.
Yeah, that's the death of satire and comedy.
And at the end of the day, it got taken down. The video got taken down not because it was very controversial, but because it was a copyright. Somebody was like, "This Gana sounds too much like the Pretty Woman Gana," which it was based on. It was a parody song, so they took it down. So
I
I was
think
like,
that
"Chalo."
that falls within fair use, but
हाँ, it
उस वक्त-
should know it's fair use, but किसी ने लगाया होगा और फिर जो भी and you can't argue ना कि ये हुआ. Back then you could
back
write to
then, of
YouTube and
course,
saying,
yeah,
excuse me sir, मैं पाकिस्तान में बैठा हुआ हूँ. Yes, वो नहीं
हाँ
होता
उस
था.
वक्त तो different. अभी लेकिन dispute कर सकते हैं आप अगर if you
हाँ,
just
तो
take
और
it
से-
as-
But
बट देखिए
fair
वो
use,
कॉम्पोजिशन
yeah,
अगर वो
something.
यूज किए ना तो
And
उसका
appeal भी
उसका
कर
राइट
सकते
है
हैं.
जो कंपोजर है ना उसका राइट है कि
मगर
वो-
अभी इस
पर वो-
वक्त में मैं फिर से लगा दूँ वो गाना
हाँ.
तो it'll be misconstrued. I think at that time it was a conversation and a debate that happened. अभी वो बोलेंगे कि it's you're doing it because of this and you're doing it because of that.
all of
and-
that.
Yes,
हाँ.
exactly.
No, you're
But,
right.
like,
Tolerance has gone down. I also believe from Vadere Ka Beta times to now, I do feel, and it's not the awam, it's the people on internet. It's these Gen Z woke or extreme right और extreme left वाले बच्चे जिनकी social media जिंदगी है दुनिया है. This is it. And so their life is there, their reactions are there, and yeah,
But I think
you're
it's
right.
not just Gen Zs, honestly. I think Gen Zs are less, I think. Like they're more like live and let live.
I don't think so. I
Actually,
think
I'm confused because
triggered,
you're
they're
right.
being
There are a
triggered
lot of kids
snowflakes.
also who write like a lot of shit and leave a lot of bad comments. And when you go to their profiles, you find out that they're like 13-year-old boys doing all of this. But I think age का आप अंदाजा नहीं लगा सकते because I feel like हर age हाँ across the board है. हाँ.
And it's entitled. जैसे वो I think internet पे वो we're all uneducated. That's the best way to put it. कि you don't understand when you should write something and when you don't, and the effect it has, the effect your words has, वो उनका कोई वो नहीं है कि
and I think with like like all of this express yourself and freedom of speech and all of that, that's been like really misconstrued, and उस पे आते कि ये तुम्हारा freedom of right है, ये तुम्हारा freedom of speech है, and I'm like यहाँ क्यों apply करो यार? That means you go out, make a change, talk about things you want to talk about, express yourself. ये नहीं कि किसी और ने जो कहा है उस पे comment करना. This is not freedom of speech, but वो उस sense में लोग लेके
I
they're
think these people were always there. It's just now they have a voice, no? That's why we also. Yeah, people were like, "Abe, kya hai? Chal be ja yahan se." Like, and now every engineer who's there or Princess Shona has a voice, and they have an account and they keep posting. And some people have multiple ones. I know some people who are so, and मैंने उन्होंने जब मुझे बताया I really judge them that they have 2 accounts. They have one account for their normal, like जो होता है, and then one they have for trolling, writing bad comments, and basically stalking people and having all that.
That's scary.
That is, and it's a regular practice. I feel आप जिनसे मतलब बहुत सारे लोग से क्या आपकी भी है आपका भी है
ये इतनी बुरी चीज नहीं है जितना आप जज कर रहे हैं।
ये मिल गया
नहीं. If you're using it to
ये जो
spread
दानिश अली की वीडियोस पे कमेंट
नहीं नॉट कमेंट देखिए इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ लोग हैं जिनमें आपकी डीप क्यूरियोसिटी है ठीक है लेकिन आप अपनी प्रोफाइल से नहीं देख सकते क्योंकि आपका नाम भूल ऊपर आ जाएगा
उस प्रोफाइल से आप कमेंट तो नहीं करते
नहीं ये बस नजर रखने के लिए
अच्छा नजर रखने के लिए I see
ये ISM है ना
हाँ ये अब देखिए हम सबको थोड़ा गॉसिप ड्रामा अपनी लाइफ में अच्छा लगता है और आसपास अच्छा खासा क्राउड है जो
उसका नाम क्या है आईडी का
ये नहीं बता सकता
ये फायदा क्या है वो बनाने का.
लेकिन हाँ मतलब
Chichi Cool 2000
आप लोग को वो अकाउंट नहीं देख रहा वो रेगुलर मैं देख रहा हूँ
वो कह रहे हैं हम इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है.
जेंगो नॉट अकबर तो
अब्दुल बावेजा
ये अच्छा
बट ये तो कॉमन प्रैक्टिस है एक फेक अकाउंट बनाया है
नहीं यार इतनी common
जो
नहीं है कॉमन प्रैक्टिस प्लीज डोंट एनकरेज दिस
don't normalize it.
1 out of 4 Pakistanis are doing this.
Yeah, don't normalize it.
तो हाँ ये है कि जो हमारे आसपास जो थोड़े फिल्में हैं चूतिया लोग जो हैं उन पे नजर रखने के लिए
कि वो सीन में ये दिखे नहीं कि अकबर ने
हाँ
अच्छा ठीक
तो अच्छा नजर रखनी क्यों है? Like what are you trying to see? Like क्या
वही
देखना है?
ताकि फिर ग्रुप में शेयर करें गिबत करें ये देखो क्या कर रहा है इस तरह की
मतलब
चीजें
जो लोग आपको अच्छे नहीं लगते उन पे नजर रखने के लिए. Oh,
So this is
interesting.
actually you're like the internet police.
No,
नहीं.
he's just
I'm
just
like
gossiping out
इज
of it.
इंटरनेट पुप्पो
हाँ, पुप्पो.
Internet KGB.
ये ही इज ट्राइंग टू गैदर गॉसिप ताकि वो ग्रुप में जाके बताए कि आज तुम्हें
He like
पता है आज
कुछ लेके जाओ ना ग्रुप में, खाली हाथ तो नहीं जा सकते. तो he is like looking for
मतलब कि
content.
हाँ थोड़ा एक बात छेड़ दी नुक्ता दे दिया ये है
पुप्पो behavior.
हाँ और आप लोग भी इंजॉय कर रहे हैं बहुत सारे डिस्कशन जो हमारे
हाँ.
हुए हैं
अच्छा, तो ये वहाँ
इसी
से
अकाउंट के
लाते
जरिए
हैं
आए हैं
हाँ वहाँ
जी
से आ
जी
रहे
जी
हैं
जी
अच्छा साथ what about you are now you start uploading reels and you're doing social media more actively now than before. Why did you think this was important and how hard was it?
Yeah, it was because my first love is live performance. It's stand-up comedy. It's being there on stage. There's nothing like it. And then I realized I realized that the game had changed, and I was just being an old fart. I was just वो मैं नहीं बदल रहा था मुझे नहीं बदलना है मुझे यही करना है. This is where it is. This is a true art form. And realized that the world is changing. The world has changed. And I was like, okay, this is how you reach your audience. This is how you. And I realized कि मैंने इतना काम किया है, but none of it translates if you're not online anymore. कि जितना तुमने 20 साल से काम किया, it doesn't matter if you're just not. If somebody can release one good video and they will be getting the work. They'll be up there. It doesn't matter how good a comedian you are. So I was like, अच्छा ठीक है, you got to change your ways. You got to. So I started uploading my videos. I did a bunch last year. This year I've been working on some. मैंने उर्दू में भी 1-2 मैंने अभी लगाए हैं. And then it's a bit strange. I was telling these guys before कि वो algorithm आपको reject कर लेता है. Like it's just like an algorithm, like a like जैसे आपकी बिल्ली होती है ना, with the, if the kitten वो kitten को कोई smell लग जाए ना, the cat will just reject it. The algorithm just rejects your joke. I was like, ये क्या हुआ? This is Urdu में. So I think that I'm still learning. I'm still.
So Saad, I saw that reel of yours, the last one you uploaded, and it was quite viral. मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों में देखा कि share कर रहे हैं और ये वो. So that's good.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. I think that before the old Saad would have been hesitant to do these things. Even like आप podcast पे आ जाएं, अच्छा मुझे जाना है नहीं जाना, मुझे क्या करना है, what role do I have in this world, you know? But then and you do get a lot of different reactions to it. But to be honest, it's been a very positive experience. क्योंकि I was very double-minded about it. फिर जब मैंने शुरू कर लिया लगाने, I realized that there was a huge world out there of people I haven't reached before, and it's fun. And a lot of it goes places you don't. मेरे एक soap पे joke था on like an Imperial leather soap joke था, and some people in South Africa somehow saw it, and they're like, we had the same soap when we were growing up. I was like, यार ये कैसे हो गया? But it's amazing कि वो उनके किसी ना किसी तरह उनको पहुंच गया कि ये हो रहा है. So I like that. I like that. Not that I'm getting famous. I don't think I've ever wanted to be like famous in my life. For me, comedy has always been an art and always will be an art. And like whatever fortune or fame I get is a byproduct of that. And that was a conscious decision.
And these reels are a way to get a larger audience for your stand-up.
Exactly. Comedy. But the people who like my comedy and want to see it that way, hoga ya nahi hoga, I don't know. But you know, it
definitely hoga inshallah. And like I completely understand your thought process and sort of skepticism behind not going this route. But unfortunately, Saad sir, this is the reality कि अब नहीं survive किया जा सकता. And this is very contrary to the stand-up comedy ideology that we sort of perfect the joke before putting it out there, whereas with a reel or something similar in terms of digital content, it's the mantra would be finished is better than perfect almost, right? तो ये एक inescapable reality एक current stand-up comedian की है कि Samir Raina in recent times I think is the biggest example. Maybe, I don't know, I haven't seen him, but maybe as a joke writer he's not the best amongst all the Indian comedians, but there isn't a bigger name in Indian stand-up comedy right now. Just based off his digital product, he has managed to, I mean, I think yesterday he posted a story that within a few hours sold like 3,000 tickets for a show in February.
Oh my God, yeah. So that's a dream come true. If you can do that and it's based off, you know, digital content, then yes, exactly. Or wo hoga nahi hoga, that's also another thing because you put so much effort into it. I grew up kind of thinking that I want to do a stand-up special. Stand-up special, wo HBO pe jayega. And then now that whole world is gone. You know, now it's like Netflix pe special jayega. Or uspe bhi I've heard that when they ask you for a special, they look at how many subscribers you have. They don't look at actually the quality of the comedy you're doing. This is what I've heard.
I feel
I'm sure.
The novelty of that Netflix special has sort of faded away as well, right? It's not that big of a deal now.
No, it's not that big of a deal.
Since there's so many of them.
Yeah, and then who's watching an hour-long Netflix special?
Exactly.
वो भी इतने लोग नहीं. I think that you know will sit there because if you're watching reels of stand-up on your phone all day, you have no need at the end of the day to go on Netflix and watch that special. And then they have, I mean, I think they'll, in my understanding is it'll be fewer and fewer. और different things, वो कोई different formats आएंगे शायद वो जैसे किल टोनी का format या ये format वो format आ जाएंगे. It'll be different, yeah.
But yeah, it is just it goes hand in hand now, and for me as well, it's very painful to come up with, you know, reels and digital content. But the way I justify it in my mind is that only through this will it be possible to do what I love to do. And selling tickets, you know, it was a pain earlier in our careers, but now, alhamdulillah, like I can't remember the last time I didn't sell out a show.
Nah,
so
yeah.
I feel the pros outweigh the cons in this one.
Yeah, that's true. That's true because पहले you're looking, you're like मैं free में डालूंगा. You know, you're free में डालना है इसको. It has to be free. Are you saying free? Like free? कोई पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे. And then you.
बाद में पैसे आ रहे हैं ना, ये
बाद
बस
में
फर्क
पैसे आ रहे हैं,
है।
exactly,
अच्छा
बाद में
मेरा
पैसे आ रहे हैं।
आप दोनों से थोड़ा अलग अप्रोच है. इवन दो आई स्टार्टेड लाइक आई डिड स्टडीड फिल्म बट मेरा स्टार्ट थिएटर इम्प्रोव से ही था. ऐसा करोगे तो कौन आएगा असफर भाई के साथ. एंड सो आई अंडरस्टैंड द लाइव परफॉर्मेंस एंड द कॉमेडी एंड द रिएक्शंस एंड दैट thing, but I think once I got into, and because I've done songs and then these short form videos and then the podcast and then so I've dabbled in different durations and the platforms. I feel like जो satisfaction मुझे मिलती है ना, कभी कभी कोई चीज़ आप देखते हो और आपका खून खोलता है और आप कहते हो कि यार ये गलत हो रहा है, and that's my process because I get triggered and then I'll be like, oh, I'll make fun of this problem or whatever mentality, and I put it out there, and then there'll be like thousands of people who will be like, yes, we also feel this way, and I'm like, okay, maybe I'm not, maybe sometimes you watch something like barbaric in Pakistan on the news and you go like, is this Pakistan? Do you know what I'm talking about? When you see someone like kill someone and everybody's applauding it and you go like, हाँ ये यहाँ रहता हूँ मैं जहाँ पे ऐसी चीज़ को encourage किया जाता है, and then you make fun of it and then
you realize
you
that,
realize
that other voice is out there, which is just like yours.
Yeah.
And then you feel sort of
okay, you're not alone.
you're not alone. Yeah, you feel part of something. And this is true, and it is very true कि मैं comedy करता हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तान में करता हूँ, and then I do it in English because there is that audience in English that enjoys that comedy and everything.
And you've been doing it for more than a decade now.
For 2 decades now, and that is so. There's not just one Pakistan. There is not just one Pakistan. There's too many people in this country to say that Pakistanis are my audience. It's not. It's a certain type of Pakistani that is your audience for a certain type of comedy or a certain type of content that you're making. And yeah, you're right. Connecting
And that
with them.
gives you hope. In Pakistan, little bit, because
Little
नहीं
bit.
तो little bit, because
Little
नहीं
bit.
तो आप you're like
Little
ये
bit.
क्या, and then you go like अच्छा ठीक है, नहीं ये भी है, नहीं इंग्लिश के लोग भी हैं, नहीं ये शपाटेर कॉमेडी भी चल रही है, नहीं this women centric
but I think that
comedy भी
makes
चल
our
रही है.
job very hard. I think it makes our job very hard.
How? But that's the beauty of social media, right? Like when you will put your content out there, similar people who relate to it, who understand it, you'll attract those kinds of people. So like I do agree with what Ali is saying. Like it makes our jobs easier. Like social media is making our work easier because it gives us access to all kinds of people, of course, and then only the people who understand us, relate to us, they will stick around and they will watch us and appreciate and support us.
I mean, once you get over the producing and मैं लिखूं और मैं बनाऊं और मैं वीडियो और edit and ये साला the
No, I
process.
mean it in a different context. In Pakistan, there's so many different types of people. It's not a homogenous audience. I feel like when you're making comedy in America for Americans, it's homogenous. They don't care कि तुम सिंधी हो, बलोची हो, ये relate नहीं करता, तुम कराची के comedian हो या तुम Punjabi style में हो. I feel like they judge you on that stuff. It's not like a very accepting. That's why the Saas Bahu stuff works so much in Pakistan, because fucking it happens in every household. That's the only thing happen. Everyone has a Saas, everyone has a Bahu. Yeah, the only homogenous thing is the chutiapa that's happening there. Everything else they're like, नहीं ये तो बड़ा मुहाजिर style है, या whatever the
या ये
fuck
बहुत
it is,
बर्गर
man.
है, या ये बहुत
मैला
है,
या ये वो है. So
मुझे
they're
तो
only
इस तरह
judging
का भी
you.
आया, I'm sure आपको भी होगा कि अब एक चौधरी या एक पंजाबी हमें बताएगा कि कराची में कैसे रहना है या इस तरह की बात है ना, तो जस्ट हाँ
नहीं मुझे नहीं आया वो, मैं पंजाबी का हूँ.
नहीं मतलब सिंधी वाली बात पे मे बी
But like, do you feel like over the years it's become tougher to do comedy? Like, like we were talking about like the reactionary nature of people now on internet and all of that. Like you've been doing it for like 2 decades. So like what change have you seen, and like how do you see comedy? Like, is it tough now? I feel like it has
comedy has become much tougher, but it's also become better. People do hold you at a higher standard. So in a lot of ways, you can't get away with just like jokes that don't work. Like we were talking about comedians who put up jokes that don't work before. Like if you don't put up a joke that doesn't work and everything like that, you do get called out for it. You cannot get away with just the basic stuff. Or if you're just getting away with just jokes that were just racist
या copy कर रहे किसी को.
racist या copy कर रहे थे, people would laugh and you'd get away with it. You'd be able to do those jokes for years. अब वो नहीं होता. अब you have to be smarter about your joke. If your joke is not not a way, fine, it might not be like, if it might not be 100% perfect, but it has to be that 60-70% mark. You can't get away with
Why
that.
do you think that is? Because there are more comedians now?
No,
And
I-
people have awareness of
yeah,
comedy.
people are just smarter. They've watched 1,000 reels. They haven't just watched, like, listened to one comedian somewhere and been like based it on
And
that.
they're watching international comedians
They're
also,
watching
right?
international comedians. You're held to that standard. You know, अभी वो अकबर बता रहा था कि वो काफ़ी वो comments भी आते हैं कि you're trying to copy Indian comedy right now. You're trying to copy us when you put up those things. हर वक्त ये आप copy कर रहे हैं and everything like that. Because they are so used to seeing just Indian comedians do stand-up comedy. If somebody else does it and they're doing it in a similar language, they're like, yeah, ये तो आप copy कर रहे हैं.
If
They
anything,
have no idea.
India has copied our Umar Sharif, our tapes, Nikki, Kapil Sharma show. This is all written by Pakistanis. I mean, if you look at it in historically, we've had such big comedians that they had to bring Umar Sharif to host some award in India.
No, we have a long history of writing. Comedy is all we have. हमारे पास कोई बिजली नहीं है, पानी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. But fucking hey, we have a sense of humor, you know. And even in the darkest times, a lot of my shows are very, very dark. And I do them over here, and people are laughing. I do them abroad. They're like, "अच्छा ये क्या? मतलब वो मर गया?" Like they do not understand. I do a joke, and I'm like, "That's life. This is just life here." And they laugh about it, and they get it. All we have left is our sense of humor.
That brings me to this question about mental health. As a comedian, I feel you've been doing comedy for so long and making people laugh, no matter how shitty your day is, no matter what's going on in your family, no matter what financial issues are happening, when you get on stage, हंसाना है लोगों को. So I'm sure, I know that it has many times taken a toll on me. So what about you? Like,
Yeah, it really does, and it still does. I think that I think there'll never be, I think, a point in my life where those kind of outside factors don't affect it. I remember very vividly when you just brought this up that I was going to do this show, and I parked the car and I'd just gotten off a very terrible phone call, which hurt me very deeply. And I remember just walking towards that show, because right before the show, and you think that, okay, something's happened shitty in your day and you have to do a show, you have time, but it happened right before that show, and I was just walking towards the gate of that show, and I was like, I should walk slower. Like, I should just walk, because it's like a 2-minute walk. I was like, I should walk a little bit slower and everything like that. And I was just like walking in and walking in and walking in.
basically,
And
you're
then-
wishing the time slowed down and you
yeah,
had more
wishing time
time.
slowed down, and I had time. And then I got to the stage of that show, and there were massive sound issues. And if you know any stand-up comedians, the worst thing you can do to a stand-up comedian before a show is,
I think
is
any
like,
performer, music maybe
oh
beach
yeah,
mein music ruk
maybe,
jaye.
yeah,
kuch-
music ruk jaye or something like that, and the wire for the mic is loose or something like that, and it's just like, you can tell when they give you the mic. Sometimes they give you a mic and it's so old, वो जो ऊपर का foam है वो फटा हुआ होता है, and you look at it and you're like, oh no, you know, it's just, you look at it, you're like, oh.
You're like, ye kaun aa gaya? Anwar Maqsood mic hoga.
Exactly, yeah. So, and I went there, and I had to do, and the sound was bad, and you just go into, I need to fix this mode, and you're yelling at the sound guy, you're like, you put the chairs आगे करो, वो आवाज नहीं आएगी, और ये करो, और फिर give me a mic, get me the wire instead. And I forgot, because of comedy, I forgot the worry I had. I was like, this is nothing. Like, right now, comedy is everything. It's my life. I have to do it right now. Whatever these biggest problems are that are tearing my life apart, fuck them. I gotta do my show. You know, so in a lot of ways, like comedy, it's so terrible to do it. But in so many ways, it gives you such focus, because you're so passionate about that show you've got to do. You've written it. There's hundreds of people waiting for you to say something. You're like, fuck my life. Literally, show is first.
Yeah.
And so it's a love-hate relationship when it comes to comedy, that you have to make people laugh and you're passionate about it, but at the same time,
It provides an escape.
it provides an escape. At the same time, you are going through this tumultuous things in your life. I have suffered from depressive spells my whole life, and you do have to get over those. And a lot of times you don't want to do that comedy, which is why when you do that video and you put everything into it, and this is for you guys out there, not them, this is for you guys, and you write that shitty little thing under that video, why it hurts people, because not because we don't have thick skins, we have very thick skins. It's because we have done everything to make sure that life is good for everyone else,
And that we make you laugh,
We
even
make
if
you
it's
laugh
at the
for
cost,
free.
expense of our suppressing trauma and just getting through it. I think that's what you said is so amazing, because it's so true. People don't understand that. I mean, I remember watching Robin Williams live and then him committing suicide like 1 year later or something, and I was like, he looked so happy, and from that time onwards I'm very conscious of कि मैं अपने मसलों को बहुत ज़्यादा सप्रेस तो नहीं कर रहा, बिकॉज दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम ना, बिकॉज जब शो नहीं है तो उन मसलों को फिर वापस एड्रेस भी करना है ना. तो मैं फॉर लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम
या फिर एनी टाइम आप स्टेज पे हो.
हाँ या फिर एनी टाइम स्टेज पे हो.
Because it is very interesting how you phrase it, sir. It's almost like an invisible threshold exists between the green room and the stage. Once you cross that, immediately everything just
disappears. It's
and
like-
vanishes. But
Bilkul.
then it does come back, and you need to address it in
Yeah.
some healthy or positive way.
साथ मेरे आपके साथ this is something what happened to you. I happened to me, and it happened. I was with you, and you if I recall, you might remember when we were doing the Freshology tour. तो हमारा इंडस वैली में शो था. उससे पहले आई वॉज इन अ रिलेशनशिप 2.5 साल की रिलेशनशिप, मेरी पहली 2.5 year रिलेशनशिप सीरियस, एंड वो उस आई थिंक सुबह को ही टूटी. And मैं full sad on my side, and sad मुझे खैर है, these things happen and she didn't deserve you, bro, you better than that, and I was like, and बच्चा था मैं, I was 21, something, so I was really like puppy love and sad, and yeah, and it was just like you get there, and yeah, eager faces, and obviously nobody knew me, but with set and Pura, and I'm behind Saad, and I was just like, fuck it, I just this and it was one of the best shows. I think the pain somehow made it more कि मैं नहीं और better performance दूँ, and I came out of that show just happier, and somehow the breakup pain was less, because now there were these 300 people who were just happy because of something that I did, and that just kind of made me more realize that the comedy, चाहे जो भी मैं करूँ life में, if I keep making people happy, then I'm doing something right,
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people, I think, there's a lot. It's a double-edged sword, right? Because a lot of people they lack that passion. I've met so many people who work in amazing companies, doing amazing things and jobs and everything like that, but they have no passion in life. They're like, I just do this and I go home, and we have that passion, right? We found this thing that we're so passionate about doing that we'll leave everything behind to do it. At the same time, we're broke.
पेमेंट नहीं आ रही
Good
यार.
build up and then I loved it.
इस पे मैं
Too
एक
good.
चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा अली सर, ये when it comes to I think improv specifically, मैं जब कोर्स किया था improv वाला, तो उसका समझें जो गुरुजी थे, उनका नाम डेल क्लोज है. तो वो जो टीचर्स थे वो उनके स्टूडेंट से डेल क्लोज के, वो बता रहे थे कि यार ये साहब जो कि पागल आदमी थे लेकिन जीनियस भी थे अपेरेंटली, कहते थे कि जो भी आपके मसले वसले चल रहे हैं ना, ब्रिंग दैट टू स्टेज. ये नहीं करो कि मुझे बता रहे हो ये करो, वो आप स्टेज पे ही आके निकालो. तो आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग अबाउट दैट catharsis, but also there's like an authenticity to it. कि once you're doing that, audience को समझ आ जाता है कि यार ये जो बात हो रही है ना, हाँ,
क्योंकि वो
personal
दिल
है.
से वही ना. I feel like I feel like I sometimes watch other people's reels and I'm like, oh, this is so funny, and I look at, and then होता है ना, self doubt as a performer आता है. You're like, oh shit, my shit is not
so
that
much
funny.
imposter
Yeah,
syndrome. As soon
imposter
as you watch
syndrome
somebody
is
else's, they're like, ye kar raha hai.
so
You do the
real.
same exact thing, but they're like, no, they're doing it.
They're doing it better.
Yeah, they're doing it better, yeah.
Why am I not doing it as much? And then you gotta go like, oh shit, and yeah, it's really it's a place, and but it's good because I've also made fun of that insecurity, you know, because you can make fun of that. Okay, you know, everyone's doing great, but I suck, you know, and use that. I feel being honest, like
Comedy mein
I
you
remember
have to be honest.
Yeah,
and
I remember.
bring your truth to the
Bring
stage.
your truth. You would always say this when we were doing agency, that honest truth
in comedy, yeah,
truth
there's
in
truth in
comedy. And I would be like, I wouldn't understand this phrase, and then the more I kept doing comedy, I understood it, because it's so multi meaning. Because truth in comedy could also mean कि मेरे लिए सच है तो मैं ये comedy करूँगा, but it could also mean that in the scene
You believe it. Yeah. I was just having the same conversation with Fahad the other day, and I was like, yeah, like when I look at some improvisers, they just trying to be funny. और मैं वही बोल रही थी, but they don't have the truth in them. तो मैं वही कह रही थी कि यार, it's not about being funny all the time. Like, it's also about being in the scene and living that truth, and that's what drives the comedy. And a lot of people forget that.
And people don't understand when they say, oh, they want the comedy to be relatable. That's exactly what they mean. That they find that truth in it. That, oh, this is why.
Yes.
Because they're just being truthful about who they are and what they are in that moment. And that's what they feel. So a lot of times, people are like, yeah, mujhe relatable comedy. I want to write it. I want many views to my reel and everything like that. What they really want to be is just be truthful about it. And that stuff will come automatically.
Yeah. I think I agree. Truth in comedy is like number one thing, for sure.
एक और बात मैं करना चाह रहा था, आई गेस बिफोर वी रैप इट अप वी कैन एड्रेस दैट. अर्लियर असाद सर आपने मेंशन किया था कि टू पाकिस्तान वाली बात ना, तो अच्छा मुझे ये मुश्किल लगता है एक्सेप्ट करना, लेकिन अपेरेंटली ये है क्योंकि मल्टीपल पीपल हैव ब्रॉट दिस टू माय अटेंशन कि कराची के जो कुछ बर्गर तबके हैं जिनको मेरी कॉमेडी पसंद है, ठीक है, मुझे ये चीज़ लगता है कि पता नहीं क्या है, लेकिन ये अपेरेंटली एग्जिस्ट करती है, ठीक है. तो रिसेंटली एक साहब के साथ कॉन्वर्जेसन हो रही थी एंड ही सेड समथिंग विच आई हैव बीन मतलब हाँ दैट्स बीन पर्कुलेटिंग इन माई माइंड फॉर अ व्हाइल कि बहुत सारे कराची में ऐसे लोग हैं जो तुम्हारे शो पे नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि उनको देखेंगे टिकट 1000 का है या 1500 का है, एंड दे विल बी लाइक कि यार नहीं, ये इस क्राउड में हमने जाके नहीं बैठना. एंड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ इट ये एक बड़ी प्रिटेंशियस सी बात है, बट लाइक आई बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट इट सॉर्ट ऑफ डज मेक सेंस फ्रॉम लाइक यू नो एक इकोनॉमिक परस्पेक्टिव एज वेल, कि जिसको एक्सक्लूसिविटी चाहिए वो तो 5000 10,000 15,000 भी देने को तैयार है ना कि मैं अपने आसपास में अपने टाइप के लोगों में बैठूं. इस पे व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दिस?
Yes, बिल्कुल ये तो है, and it does happen incrementally. मगर ये भी होता है कि there's also like a top level of that कि people who जितना भी आप प्राइस रखेंगे कॉमेडी के टिकट का, बिकॉज वी लिव इन सच एन एलिटिस्ट, आई मीन यू सच एन एलिटिस्ट सोसाइटी कि नो मैटर हाउ मच द टिकट कॉस्ट्स वो फिर भी नहीं खरीदेंगे. दे वोंट इवन बाय द टिकट बिकॉज दे सो एलिटिस्ट, दे वोंट इवन गो टू अ शो. आई मीन वी हैव डन शोज बिफोर, we've done shows, I've taken you एक दो दफ़ा अकबर has helped me out कि I've had to do some of these elite comedy shows and I was like अकबर तुम मेरे साथ आ जाओ, हम ये कर लेंगे. और उसको नहीं आना मेरे साथ. He doesn't like performing. He enjoys the shows, but he's like ये full scene है, मैं इस scene में आऊँगा नहीं आऊँगा क्या होगा. And to be honest, out of all the comedians there, he killed it. He did the best out of all of them because he knew them and everything, and he brought them. He did his own comedy in his own style, और वो सब because they were the elite of the elite, but they would have never bought a ticket to come to a show. Because he was there doing it for them, they were like, अच्छा ये हमारा setting है, ये हमारा माहौल है. it worked and it happened and everything. But you're right, there is a sense, and there's such an elite sense in our society for at least the burger audience ke no matter, even if a lot of them will come, magar koi log nahi aayenge. They will never come. Even if there's no other entertainment, they'll take a flight to Dubai, watch a show over there for comedy rather than kind of go to a show.
मीडियोकर सी कोई कॉमेडी होगी
नहीं, mediocre
वे
से
भी नहीं
नहीं,
होगी।
mediocre से नहीं. They just aren't. Honestly, they're just, as I said, some people they're not socialized to even partake in these activities over
which
here.
is so sad because आप बाहर में एक मतलब if you perform outside पाकिस्तान ऐसे कोई हिकअप्स नहीं होते. लाइक दुबई में हम कितने शोज के हर किस्म का बंदा आता है. कोई रोल्स रॉयस में भी आ रहा है कोई बंदा तो फिर
Exactly.
कोई
Everyone will come to a show. Everyone will sit together. Over here, वो थोड़ा सा different है.
But I think, do you think it's because of the elite, or it's because there's no culture of going to shows and showing up and being part of such a community and like, of course काफी लोग हैं, but I think काफी लोग को ये exposure और
Comedy
ये
shows का।
हाँ, like वो कहते हैं ना कि एक कल्चर होता है, एक शो गोइंग कल्चर, वो अभी भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, you know.
वो
Like,
तो अपनी जगह. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग स्पेसिफिकली अबाउट पीपल जिनको पता है शो हो रहा है,
वो फिर
बेस्ड
भी
ऑन
नहीं
के
आएंगे।
1000 या 1500 का टिकट है वहाँ, पता नहीं
आप
क्या
कह रहे हैं ये कम है.
नहीं
वो
मैं
लोग
कह
ये
रहा हूँ
सोच रहे हैं कि सस्ता है.
हाँ
हाँ,
अच्छा,
तो इसमें
कि
नहीं
ये
जाएंगे.
1000-1500 में पता नहीं कौन सा क्राउड
तो
होगा.
कौन सा 4000 की कॉमेडी हो रही है यहाँ पे जिसमें जा रहे हैं वो? क्या वो उनका मतलब योर आई मीन आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट सेइंग इट्स स्टूपिड व्हाटएवर दे आर थिंकिंग.
What they're
वो पर
thinking.
वो ये लोग हैं, ये लोग वो कहीं नहीं भी जाते, कहीं नहीं जा रहे. ये ऐसे
मैं
भी नहीं
वही
है
कह
कि
रही
वो
हूँ कि हाँ,
नहीं, वो
reason ये
प्राइवेट शो
कि
में
वो-
चले जाएंगे, आप उसको इनवाइट करेंगे, वो प्राइवेटली होस्टेड शोज वो उसमें आते हैं. तो आई विल सी पीपल हु आई नो हु विल ओनली बी इन दोज शोज के अच्छा वो ये इनवाइटेड है या ये किसी क्लब में है, एक स्पेसिफिक क्लब में है, हम उस शो में जाएंगे, हम ये करेंगे. मगर वो एक रेगुलर शो में नहीं जाएंगे.
सिंफुल क्लब्स में वो जाते हैं, सेम क्लब्स.
And the thing is, they're also, I think, going because it's they want to be part of that crowd and that network and the
Yes,
circle. It's more
exactly.
socialization. I doubt they're also going for comedy. They're going to socialize, and comedy
And
happened
most
to
of
be
the time
there.
these people are the बदतमीज crowd.
हाँ, so I
I
think
also
that
hate performing
you're right.
for them,
It's
by
not
the
about
way.
the 1500 या 2000 का है. It's about कि वो हम जाएं या नहीं जाएं.
हाँ, वो मैं कह रही हूँ,
That's
वो
the thing.
culture ही नहीं है जाने का. It's that
ठीक है.
thinking.
So the
कि-
social value that ascribes
Yeah,
to them
who goes
is
to a
what,
comedy
yeah.
show? It's not about the price of the ticket. It's not a comedy show. Like what? क्या? क्यों? ये thinking होती है.
I think it's that more than the price.
But it's sad because up you know you've been to the improv, been to the comedy store and और वहाँ पे sticky floors, प्रॉपर सीटिंग नहीं है, बैड लाइनों में खड़े होके घंटा
बदबू आ रही है,
घंटा
पसीने आ
बदबू
रहे हैं.
वहाँ पे जाके हम देख लेंगे. और ज़्यादातर इन क्लब्स में बहुत रेयरली कोई अच्छा कमेडियन आता है. नॉर्मली इट्स ऑल रुकीज मोस्टली ड्यूरिंग द वीक. सो वो देख लेंगे हम जाके. बट यू नो कमिंग टू अ शो वेयर जहाँ पे आपको वैले मिल रही है और बहुत सारी जगहों पे वेन्यूज़ में अब ये हो गया है, प्रॉपर पार्किंग हो जाती है, आप अंदर आराम से बैठें, कोई ये लंबी लाइनें नहीं होती. यू नो इट्स वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज, वेरी नाइस, बट दे वोंट डू इट है.
हाँ, but to be honest वो इतने shows होते ही नहीं है. So it's very tough to tell.
बट साथ डोंट यू फील लाइक आई फील लाइक पिछले 3 महीने में हर हफ्ते कोई ना कोई कॉमेडी शो हो रहा है.
Yes, every other weekend, mostly open mics हो रहे हैं, which you know, the Jungle and the Tali and everything. All these guys were doing the shows. तो वो हो जाता है for a few months in advance. But I still think that Pakistan is very, very young when it comes to acceptance of live comedy and what's going on. These are still the golden years. When people look back at this, वो कहेंगे कि ये शुरुआत है of comedy,
Wow.
even after 20 years.
They'll look back and they'll watch this episode and they'll be like, wow, क्या दिन
शुरुआत
थे.
और उस वक्त फिर हमने डेफिनेटली यूरिन बैग और वॉकर लगाए हुए होंगे.
Yes, comedian हम हो जाएंगे. On that note, thank you for watching. Thank you, Saad, for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
Did you have fun?
I did. It was no airplane bathroom, but it was still pretty.
Sorry, we couldn't fulfill your fantasy.
Sorry.
वो है ना जैसे बाथरूम इतना छोटा है हमारे ऑफिस का, वो एयरप्लेन ही लगता है, आप उधर चल जाए. बट थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग एंड प्लीज आस्क देम to subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe to the channel and also subscribe to whatever I'm on.
Yeah, do you have a show in
Everywhere.
November?
Subscribe to my life.
Do you have a show in November that they can catch, or December they can catch?
I will be performing hopefully with these Shapatas.
When is
Yes,
this show?
22nd and 29th.
22nd and 29th of November, I will be performing with these guys.
And
Inshallah.
if you guys want to see, क्योंकि हमने comedy की बात की है, तो if anyone wants to go and see the comedy that we're talking about, you can can go and go on Akbar channel.
Akbar will post about it, or yeah, I will share it and everything then.
And आप जाके टिकट ले और शो देखें और कंप्लेन नहीं करें ज़्यादा, ठीक है?
Yes, thank you. Now fuck off.